262, we got some basic tile rendering now. However, we're not auto-tiling just yet. We're stubbing some things in. In the inline macro functions section, we added these two new macros for front-to-back rendering and back-to-front rendering. You'll see one of those used later down in here. In shader source fragment 6, which is the shader we've been working on, we have these 3 output frag colors. We're only going to work with the geometry output for now. And maybe we'll work with BOM and FATA once we have all of the geometry logic finished. Then down here in the bathroom tile snap grid section, we have a bug. So we fixed the bug. This needs to be the inset multiplied by 2. So we fixed the bug here, and here's the inset multiplied by 2 macro here. Also, this needs to be a -I, not a +I, in the inset tile math section. So we fixed this bug here. God fucking damn it, I can't fucking talk. And we need to undefine I2 here, because undefine your macros after you're done with them. And then down here further, we've relabeled this section as front-to-back rendering. So this is the same loop going through the tile size exponents, but the guts of the 3 statements for the for loop are in this macro now. So we can easily switch between front-to-back or back-to-front by changing those 3 letters at the end of this macro. Down here in the loop, we have front-to-back occlusion. If no fragment color for geometry has been set yet, then we are going to set the geometry color if the tile value is 0 to, actually 1 to 15 inclusive, because 0 would be nothing. If it's nothing, then we set this. If it is something, we set a green color. If we set nothing, then the next time we loop around, we're going to give it another shot and see if the next tile size actually has geometry. So this is how we're doing our basic occlusion here. This is already done right here, and that's the end of the occlusion loop. And if we haven't set any fragment colors for any geometry, then we're going to set that background grid right here. And then here's where we're outputting the final frag color in a very convoluted way to keep our change history here. Here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and then here's what we did at the bottom here. And you are on this playlist. You can go here for a longer description. We got to get out of here. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail.